bringing it. Wow, you're bringing the the brick. Sweet potato. Breadcrumbs. Katsu curry sauce. Ta-da. Just put water. Not enough oil, but it would be okay. We dip it. So let's do a tester one. And dip it. And then I'm gonna add it to the bread. And then just stick it. Ooh, that should be good. Potato. Dun 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 dun. I made it. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Okay, let's try the crispy. Mmm. It's so good. Okay.
Okay.
Reaction.
This is sweet potato curry. Katsu curry made by Sanjita.
And Richard also.
And
We
Richard.
both did it.
So, that's
Katsu curry.
amazing. Guys, good job. It actually tastes so
And
good.
actually, it's cheaper than buying thingy, I
Oh,
guess,
the
for 3
pumpkin,
people.
the
innit?
sweet potato
Sweet
thing is
potato.
so good.
Mm.
It turned out so well.
Oh, yeah.